Wanna come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Epic family begging a second, man. Wanna come here. Look inside of the Gaza mansion. Our first peep inside the Gaza mansion. Man say everything there. But him just a grab a water. Man, him son one there. Big up him daughter. Oh, God. Teacher. Me nah lie, you know, him shake up a whole heap of them artists with the house, you know. Enough of them sit down right now in a them feelings, you know. Enough of them. Remember, you know, them talks say, man show too much on camera right now. Everything happen. The man give you inside look, you know. We can't complain. A Gaza all the way, and we're not gonna other way. That I want to tell them. So, what the critics are gonna say now? The house too big? The house too nice? Or Kartel that deserve this life? What is it going to... My bathroom nice here? Oh God, look on the stair. No, I'm liking it. I'm loving our living room. Big pretty stereo. Kartel. This are gonna cause problem. Them did eat the teacher already, you know. What them are gonna do now? What you got? What you gazebo? I'm gonna say gazebo. Gazebo for sure. Gazebo. No man. Double garage. Why the place nice? Nah lie to you. Nah lie, me teacher. I beat them bad. 13 years in a prison. Everybody attack. Everybody a mish out here, you know. Until Kartel forward, you know. Every artist get called up. Dancehall music now get released like one time. Me not hear no rich man attack again. Every artist did rich. Only G will say him want rich and not care who want rich and him. Everybody else a mish. And them are the richest thing in the game. Once the Kartel comes here right now, and everybody have to stand up and look. Everybody have to stand up and look. Because the Gaza mansion are the hottest thing a road. It at the talk of town. It and the electric Porsche. Man have to ease up. Your ego have to be put to the side. Your ego have to be put to the side. And me know say, Kartel, the face of everybody now watch you. The government are watch you as hard as the critics them. Just go and do the right thing and hold them, brother. Just go and do the right thing and hold them. Because Gaza nation love the success. You understand me? Go and do the right thing, my G. My people, share it for those that need to see and hear it. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel as yet, please do so. Father Epic World on YouTube. Father Epic World on YouTube. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Father Epic TV and Facebook. Hold on the like button or hold on the follow button. The options will pop up. Click favorite so you can get the video when they drop, as they drop, so you don't miss a beat. See, pray. With that being said, my lovely people, this is how the video ends. Excuse me? Chow breadcrumbs. One catch you there. One catch you there. Excuse me?